Hey guys, welcome to Gyewa-dong in Gangso-gu. This is still in Seoul, but this is the end of subway line 9 and we are here to explore this mountain. I remember this neighborhood. This is where we shot one of the K-dramas. The scene is I'm a Filipino. They dress the house as a Philippine house, so it's just a pictorial. The house is in one of the corners like this. So we made it to the mountain, Gyewa Mountain.